Hi, this is a quick video to show how to create a shared folder in Virtualbox so that we can share files from Windows to a Linux operating system. So this operating system that I have is Windows operating system. I just double-clicked on Oracle VM Virtualbox. I have already installed Ubuntu. So first, what I'm going to do now is going to settings. So I just clicked on it and then go to shared folder. This is the shared folder. I have already installed Ubuntu. You can make the shared folder anytime before or after you make the Ubuntu. Okay, so now we are on shared folder, as you can see, and I have to click here now, as you can see, and choose other. Now here I already created on desktop, I already created a shared folder. You can create another one. Let's do another one. So right click, and go to new, then folder, and write shared files. Just keep shared files for now, and then select folder. As you can see, I have my folder path and folder name, and then I have to click on auto mount. So this will connect with the Ubuntu now automatically. And I'm not going to press on read only because I want to have read and write access both. So now I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so we are done. We have just created a shared folder. And this is the shared files folder. As you can see, this is our shared files folder. And I'm going to press OK. Now we have to start our computer, our Linux operating system again. So I'm clicking on start. It will start the Linux operating system. So I can see my name. So I have to give the password. It will take me to the Linux operating system now. It could take a few minutes. Okay, so now we have to find where is our shared folder. So to do that, I'm going to files. Now that we have created the shared folder, which I can see here, we have to have read and write access for the user. For the user, in this case, the user is Robert. So I have to give access to Robert. So I'm going to open terminal, and then I'm going to write who belongs to this Linux. So who is using it now? So I'm going to write who am I? It's Robert. And then I'm going to write sudo. I'm going to give access to Robert to this shared folder. So I'm going to write sudo add user Robert VBox Virtualbox SF. Last for password, same password that we used to log into Linux, Ubuntu. Now it gave me the access. All right, but it is not going to work. Still, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close everything, and I have to restart. I have to log power off this machine. And then I have to log back in. So I'm going to log back into Ubuntu again. It might take some time to log in. Okay, now it is showing me I'm logging in, so I have to put the password again. It will take me to Ubuntu, and this time, hopefully, we will be able to see and access the shared folder. So here is our shared folder. Now we can have access. Now, as you can see, we have nothing here, no files or folder on the shared files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shared folder. So now let's make a new folder. Let's call is to test. Created. So I have just created a to test folder. And now I'm going back to my Windows operating system. So this is our shared files. As you can see, our to test is now showing in Windows operating system. Okay, so if I now want to change this shared folder name to something else, now we can begin. Let's see what happens to our Ubuntu folder. As you can see, it didn't change, but if you go out and then again come back, you can see the change. Now we can begin. Now, if you want to have a file in the Windows folder, so you are bringing a file from Windows to your Linux operating system, let's copy this one. So I'm just bringing a file from Windows operating system to Linux. Now you will be able to see it here. As you can see, the file is here. So you can just open it if you want from Ubuntu. Similarly, if you want to rename this file, so you can rename this file, rename it to check. You will just rename this. Now again, you go back, you see now it is changed to check in the Windows folder. So this is how you can share files. You can copy and paste files in a Windows operating system, and it will be available in your Linux operating system. Now, once the Linux operating system is, you get the files in this shared folder, you can copy and take it to any other folder. Let's say, let me take it to documents. You can just paste it there. So this is how we can work, and it is really convenient this way to share files.